Oh, Princess, are you okay? Oh, hey. Oh, I don't like the song. That song. Okay. Oh, Princess, pedicure took a long time. Oh, Princess, are you thirsty? Oh, you must be. Water. Oh, okay. Ew, this has like bacteria in it. I can like see it. This is gross. Never use this water again, okay? Frizzy. I don't like frizzy water. It's like weird carbohydrate frizzy water. Ugh. This is weird. I like it, but then it's too warm. Temperature's not right. Not a good water. Never use this. What? It is good. Oh, Princess, you want some water? Oh, hi, Daddy.
Hi, Princess.
How was your day, Dad?
Yeah, it was good. Let me just tell you what
I can't believe what happened. My dad just died of a heart attack, and I don't know what to do. I have no family to go to, nowhere to live. I've lost my house, my princess, my iPods, my inheritance. I've lost everything.
doing on our territory?
Yeah. I have nowhere to go. Yo, get out. Please, just listen to me. I have nowhere to go. You have no idea.
Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you join us?
We can do cool things like smoke weed.
Wow.
See that woman in the orange? Run them down and steal this first. Got that? Okay, got it.
나 지금 뭐 하는 거야? Yeah, we make money. I have lots of friends. And I don't know, I have a lot of money. So what is there to be sad about? But then I still miss my old self, where I really was intimate with my dad. What am I supposed to do? I really miss them. I'm so tired. Ugh.
Sori, wake up! Wake up, Sori! Wake up!
Dad? Is that you? Is that really you?
What have you been doing?
I failed, Dad.
Don't you remember what I said about failing?
I don't remember anything.
See, when we fail, when we fall, that's when we can depend on God again. Sori, turn back to God. Turn back to God. Sorry, saddle up your horses.
Saddle up your horses.
Oh, that was all dream?
Yo, Sodi, let's go jack another person's purse.
I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. Yeah.
Why?
Because, well, my father, my God, has a better plan for me other than stealing purses and other than doing bad stuff. So, to able to shine God's glory, I think I'm gonna do good stuff from now on.
You're still a sinner.
But then God forgives me all the time, so it doesn't matter whether I'm a sinner, God will always forgive me and He will always take me higher.
Wait, after all we've done for you?
Let's settle this with a boxing match.
Ladies and gentlemen, boy, do we have an exciting match for you tonight. Welcome to Boxing on ESPN. I'm Chick Kern alongside Vince Scully. We have quite a matchup for you tonight. It's the Mafia versus Esther. Sorry you.
Chick, we have an amazing story for you tonight. The story of a woman saved by God's grace. She's been through so much in her life. Her father passed away from a heart attack. She lost everything. She even resorted to joining a mafia. She was at the bottom of life. But for some reason, somehow, through some miracle, something took her higher in her life.
As the fighters get ready for their battle. Sorry, and Mafia.
You're going down.
No, I'm going up.
Round one. Fight!
I can't do it. I can't go on. I can't.
Sorry, remember,
Dad?
depend on God.
Dad, is that you?
Depend on God. Saddle up your horses.
Okay, Dad. I got this. Alright, let's go. This is for you, Dad.
모든 민족의 가슴마다 피 묻은 그리스도의 주로
I finally beat the mafia.
하는 사람이 왔으면 좋겠습니다.
I was able to beat him in a boxing match and go back to just living my old life. But there's a difference. I found God in my life. He has truly taken me higher. He's allowed me to be filled with passion, desire, a life of discipline. And most importantly, I want to embark on a journey and training that is more intimate with the Lord God Almighty. I really didn't read that off of the script. I promise. Thank you.